Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Labs. So today I am going to talk to you about what are the top reasons to choose cross-platform development for your on-demand apps. Everyone, be it old or young, owns a smartphone nowadays. There are a variety of smartphones that have already been introduced within the market and are still being introduced with far more advanced features for the users. It is hard for a few of the simplest mobile app development companies and even entrepreneurs to stay up with this pace of adjusting technology. And to avoid wasting you from such a situation like this, cross-platform app development seems to be the foremost suitable option, especially for your on-demand application where you wish to focus on the most number of individuals. For people who don't know what on-demand applications are, they are the ready-made solutions offering users the required services short of a taxi booking app or the grocery delivery app, food delivery app, and plenty of more. So here are some reasons why you must choose cross-platform development for your on-demand app. So the first reason is reduced cost. Investing in multiple mobile app development services might not be a feasible option for several entrepreneurs because it could prove to be a hefty deal. And this can be the explanation of why most businesses choose cross-platform app development services over the native one. Second thing is about the agile development process. There are many cross-platform frameworks like Xamarin, React Native, which allows on-demand app developers to use the code across platforms. This not only saves time and energy but also leads to the agile app development process. This also ensures early market entry, which supplies you with a new advantage over your competitors. Third thing is about the availability of plugins. Most cross-platform app development frameworks are open source and have a number of the most effective plugins available, which makes the event of your on-demand application a breeze. Availability of higher and sort of plugins not only allows the developers to hurry up the entire development process but also adds a number of outstanding features by leveraging the features of the device, operating system, and other third-party services. Another thing is the UI and the UX elements. To create a successful on-demand app, it is vital to require care of all the UI and UX elements. These elements not only help in offering a nice user experience but also helps in engaging and retaining the users to the app. Another feature is about easier app testing. Most app development companies have a separate department for mobile app testing. This is often to confirm that before introducing the app within the market, it is thoroughly tested for any bugs and errors. Testing a cross-platform on-demand app is simpler to check as compared to the native one. Another reason is easy to implement the changes. This is one of the foremost important benefits of getting your on-demand app developed using the cross-platform app development, because it could be a lot more convenient for the app developers to create and implement changes as compared to the native ones. On-demand mobile applications must be constantly updated and new things are to be added on a daily basis to stay up with the most recent trends and customers' requirements. Last thing is about the user experience. Since the code once is written will be reused across the platforms, cross-platform app development offers the same user experience to any or all its users, regardless of what device they are using and which platform they are using. Cross-platform app development offers the uniformity within the app development process, which is the biggest advantage in making your on-demand app successful. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you are looking for a mobile app development company, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.